Thank you for joining me. This is Paul Compton's 6th weekly. This week I was uncomfortably nervous and constantly lost my thoughts. Hopefully Dr. Weaver saw through this and gave me a break on being so nervous. Andrew and I met up after our interviews and began construction of our launcher project. During this meeting we designed the frame and built the 2 support triangles. We used a 3-foot, 4-foot, 5-foot configuration. I also made a trip to the library and began reading a book about energy. Since we are building a balloon launcher, I found myself wondering the concept behind such method. Upon the conclusion of 2-dimensional movement, I reviewed trajectory and projectile motion, making notes that when air is negligible, the acceleration in the horizontal distance is 0 when nothing is in contact with it. The vertical acceleration is equal to the gravitational pull of 9.80 meters per second. The time an object is in the air is related to the initial vertical velocity and the height that the object starts at. I also took note on energy transfer. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed, only transferred into another form. Example given is potential energy into kinetic energy, which potential energy shouldn't be labeled as potential energy, it should be gravitational. One of the questions I have is how many different types of energy are there? Are they ever at an equilibrium? What are the main energies involved in the Big Bang Theory? How can we get creative with energy to solve many of our daily problems? The answer to a question I had last week was to decide between the partners who was taking which side on the debate topics. Our decision making included rock, paper, scissors, which I lost, and I have now the con side now. My plan for next week is to research more on energy, return to the library and spend some time researching more on my debate topic and hopefully have a rough draft completed. We're also meeting this Thursday to work on our balloon launcher. I'm also planning on completing one of my science lecture requirements, if time allows. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Have a great day.